inside this video, I'm going to teach you how to make handle loops for your tubing. So save some money and just get a piece of tape and buy some tubing. So this one here is about 6 feet in length, just because it makes it easier for the tall folks and the short folks to try and use the same length. So all you're going to do is, so we're using Theraband tubing, and green is the middle resistance, okay, so medium. And all you're going to do is, like what Faye's already done, is make a loop. So if you're not sure which size to go with, put your hand in, okay? It's good enough for me, for my hand, and I guess if you want to check for if you've got big feet, because you might hook them in there too, you can just check and see. Woo, maybe a little bit longer there. Okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to get a friend to hold on the end piece. So where you've looped it, you want to make sure that you have your friend's going to hold on to the end, and then they're going to hold on to a piece that's just about 1 inch away. And then what we're going to do, I got to grab my tape. I've got tape here. This is why we get tape rolls, what we use with the ends, just to make it easy, because you always have a whole bunch. So I'm just going to get about 6 inches worth of tape there. And all you're going to do, once you rip this off, is you're going to get your friend to pull the tubing apart. You're going to place the tape there. And then you're just going to wrap the athletic tape or hockey tape, whatever you've got, just wrap that around. Isn't it perfect that she's wearing a black hoodie so you can see this? Okay. And then once you let go, voila, you have tubing and it will come undone. So you do this on the other side, and again, you can just match them up. So line it up, slippery stuff there, Tank. You line it up, wrap it around, and then you do the other side. All right, so that's how you do it. See you later, guys.